Hello, it's SalonDivaV in a place to be, y'all. My garden. And in our previous video, you saw me planting up the purple hall peas. Now we are going to be planting up this broccoli right here. Our little starts. So I have put my soil down, put a little fertilizer in there, and I'm just going to make some holes, nothing spectacular, and we're gonna put this broccoli up in here, and we're gonna put it all on both sides of the bed and in the middle also. So I'm just gonna take the fertilizer and spread it around. I probably should have put the fertilizer in there a couple of days ago, but I couldn't. So I might be putting them too close together, but we shall see. Ugh. I think I broke that one. Yep, I did. Okay. Trying to space them out a little bit. I've never successfully grown broccoli before, so I'm not sure how big they get. And if they are too close together, I'll probably dig them up. And try to start all over. Not start all over, but you know what I mean. Relocate them and give them some space. Oh, man. Okay, a couple more to go. And I'm doing the little triangle method of like zigzag, like that. All right, y'all. So we have 25 broccoli in this bed. Sounds good to me. And hopefully all 25 will be successful. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Share me with your family and your friends. When my channel grows, the garden grows. Check me out on all my social media platforms. Leave a comment below to let me know what you're growing and if you're growing. All right, y'all. SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. You know what it is. Peace.